Howdy everyone, this is Grapevine with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, so we're now about to enter the fitness center here at the Gabriella, and man, it's pretty cool. So let's take a look at it. So this is what it looks like. It's pretty big. It's a pretty good size. The room is pretty cool. Let's just walk through it just a little bit. And you can see just some really nice windows that are here. The windows are really cool. I love all the windows and the sun and everything like that you're seeing here, so that's really good. And then you can see the equipment here. So you've got some treadmills that are over here. You've got some ellipticals, and then you've got some pretty sophisticated equipment that's over here. That's pretty cool. You've got a Stairmaster. You've got Smith machine over there. You've got some pull down, some other machines over here. So you got some pretty good equipment that's over here. There's also, looks like over here, there is just some more equipment. So kind of a multi-machine equipment that's over here. And you can see this is very heavily used. So it's a really pretty fitness center. And look at these views that you have of downtown Dallas. So really nice area to work out. Hey, if you have any questions about anything you're seeing, send me a text. Just use the number below. Or if you want to set up a virtual tour, do the same thing. And by the way, you can see there's a pool over here, so we're about to go see that right now.